YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Deer 2 times. I'm back. Look, it's a range time for Nephew, man. Trying to get the practice with him, man. My brother gonna join us. Heck yeah, man. We're gonna try to do it. Alright. We're gonna run the PC and the 10 mil. See how we do. Look, when you push the down with your thumb, okay? Alright, yeah.
Well, that's gonna be loud.
Okay. Hold it down, nephew.
I would never. What don't matter to me?
Put it back on safety.
This way, right there.
Good to go. Colonel, wasn't it, baby? Yes, sir. Come on, nephew. Nephew finna get a shot, man. Let's see if you get 4 shots center mass on that ground. All right?
On the ground.
On the ground. You see, you got it in there. Look, here, hold it. Don't put your finger on the trigger till you get ready to shoot. All right? All right. Now hold it up, both hands up. Look, show you. Take your hand, put it right there.
Right here.
Just like that. Put that hand just like that. Hold it tight. All right. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Pull it down on the slide release. Ready to go.
The green one, right?
The green one. Hold it tight. Set them up. Line up the sights. You go. Don't just take your time. Take your time. Don't wait for it to record. Just squeeze, and let it surprise you. But hold it tight. All right. Down. Lay it down flat. Good to go.
Say as a pair of
This one,
ordinance
Rico.
next to the other.
Hold it how I told you to hold it. You know what I told you?
Looking for the cycle.
Raise your thumb up. Slide your hand up some on the tail. All right. Put that thumb up. That thumb right there. All right. Right there. Hold it tight. You gotta hold it tight, man. Look, take your finger. Hold it. Yeah, hold it tight. Put the thumb right there. Hold it real tight. Oh man, what's that, Kimber?
That's not a regular 1911. It's a custom shop.
Galil H Gen 2. This right here, night vision scope by ATN X4 4K.
That thing is gas to hell. I was slinging it. Gas to hell. Man. Alright, so range got it.
You want to shoot this?
You gonna put the suppress on?
Yeah.
So I haven't shot that one.
Look, when you get ready to shoot it, look over here. You see that? That's the safety. Push it forward with your thumb.
Okay. You can get a feel for this first.
Ready up? How we doing?
Is it a camera in it?
Huh?
I can't aim up the thing in the camera in it.
What I'm aiming at? You probably gonna miss. I ain't even used to my trigger. Say it. Okay.
See it?
Yeah,
Suck
I
ass.
can't pick it up for real.
Pick it on up.
Come here. One shot. And I know your ass can shoot.
I can't hold the front.
Grouping, nigga. Like this. I can be fucking with you. Yeah. So I made
That
you
was
go down to the
serious,
box right
Yeah.
Yeah, I got on.
You're gonna try and shoot somebody. I'm standing there. Oh shit! Shot Will.
Dang. Yeah. I
Look out, Will.
need to go buy me a box.
Man down.
Actually, I'm gonna go do
Can't shoot things. Yeah.
Too heavy, boy.
Yep.
45. AC. Parallel. Five yards. it. 15 yards. Boy, ain't do too bad, man. See what my nephew gonna do, man.
Thanks for watching the Dear Me Geek Show. Yeah.